Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. So today I have made a small presentation that is the rise of robotics and how AI is transforming our homes. This is particular topic, small video. We will study more about robotics. That is the idea, how the things are changing around and how to generation it has changed. So we'll go to the next part. That is, before going into the next part, we should understand that the history of robots and what are the industrial robots. In 1930, it started in 1930 by Bill Taylor, Garangua robotic crane. They are made in that particular time. 1960s and 70s, Robert entered automotive manufacturing. That is, automation started in 1960s and 70s. In 80s, when the microcontroller, machine vision, and sensor enabled robots to perform precision tasks and operation automatically. That means in 1980, when the microprocessor and sensor were introduced, the more version of robotics have come into action. Today's scenario, advanced in AI, natural language processing, and sensor technology, growing demand for automation in daily life, cleaning, cooking, right? So these are the types of robots now. Now, application in the homes, as you can know, cleaning robots we use, that is vacuum cleaners and all those are moving vacuum cleaners, auto vacuum cleaner, those are all robots. Elderly care and companionship, smart kitchen assistants. These are the future where you will have robots doing all your kitchen work and your elderly people are taken care by the robots. Next, the precision, that is benefits and challenges are also there. Like precision has to be there 24/7, scalability, cost, empathy, gap, data security. These are the issues, right? Scalability, cost, empathy, gap, right? Data security. These are very important. Somebody will steal your robot or somebody can control your robot if the data is leaked. So these are the points that we have to understand, benefit and challenges. Future outlooks. What are the future outlook? This is important. Why? Because AI integration with IoT, predictive home automation, emotional intelligence in robot. These are the things what we can expect in the coming future. Human-centered designs will be there. Transparency, accountability will be there. Education, awareness has to come with this. So I've made a small video. You can just have a look in this video just to have little idea about what are the future of robotics in AI.
Forget everything you thought you knew about robots. For decades, robots meant factory floors. Giant arms, welding cars, repetitive tasks, cold efficiency. But what if I told you those days are gone? AI is taking robotics on the ultimate field trip, and the possibilities are honestly mind-blowing. Let's start small, like home small. Picture this. You're having a tough week, your fridge is empty, and you can't even with the grocery store. Now imagine a robot rolls up to your door, groceries in tow, perfectly sorted and ready to go. That's not sci-fi anymore. AI lets robots navigate busy streets, dodge obstacles, ring your doorbell. Suddenly, your errand list just got way shorter. But let's go a bit deeper. AI-driven robots are stepping in where we need them most, caring for people. Think about an elderly relative living alone. AI-powered helpers can remind them to take medicine, help them move safely around the house, call for help in an emergency. These aren't just machines, they're lifelines, providing independence and peace of mind. And if you think that's wild, check this out. AI robotics are blasting off, literally. Space agencies are sending intelligent robots to explore planets, gather samples, make decisions on their own, way out where no human has ever set foot. Thanks to AI, these bots aren't just following commands. They're learning, adapting, and pushing the limits of discovery. I know, it sounds straight out of a movie, but this is happening now, and it's only the beginning. With AI, robots are leaving the factory to become our helpers, companions, explorers. They're mowing lawns, assisting surgeons, cleaning oceans, delivering pizza. The real question isn't what can robots do, it's what can't they do. The boundaries are blurring, and the next giant leap might be waiting right outside your front door. So next time you hear the word robot, don't picture a clanging machine behind a factory fence. Picture a world that's smarter, safer, and a whole lot more interesting. And honestly, I can't wait to see what's next.